Hey YouTube, I just want to get a video out because I got a couple of mail calls. Mail call. And we've got a shop card from Munchkin Modeling Man 72. And that's pretty cool. And I got Dan's very last shop card. So I'm considering myself very lucky. If you haven't seen Dan's channel, Munchkin Modeling Man 72, definitely go check it out. He is the co-host of the 2022 Eggplane build. That's a very cool card. That's actually Cincinnati, Ohio, and that is the Delta Queen from, I guess, 1871. So very cool card, Dan. Thank you. All right, and there's Dan's card as the latest addition to the shop card corner. Another mail call. Model on, my friend. Who do we know who says that? Jared B. Models. Jared B. Look at that bike. Nice job. And there we go. He's starting a new row. Thanks again, Jared. But I didn't get any modeling done this week. Everything's kind of sitting where I left it because it's spring and I had to do some spring cleaning and rearranging. I used to have these power tools on that thing and it's not on wheels. So yes, I went to Harbor Freight. I like Harbor Freight. And I got this cart that I can now roll out, and these tools are, well, the drill press and the grinding wheel are permanently mounted on there. And then the sander is not permanently mounted. I can either leave it there, roll it all the way out, work on it there, or move it over to table or whatever. And now I have storage for all my additional power tools and stuff. And you know, it's like right there. When I roll it out, I got like a little work area with my workbench and stuff and my vise and everything. And then I can roll it back in and it's out of the way. And then I brought that in, that set of shelves in from my daughter's Lego room, which is now a mess. It used to be in that corner. I have to put that in that corner. So just doing a lot of rearranging. And then we had our kitchen cabinets refaced, and this is a gigantic piece of white laminate like this. So I may make a spray booth or something out of that. I don't know what I'm going to do. And yeah, and I've got a bunch of these other leftover pieces of laminate. And there's all my daughter's Lego. So I got to get this room back to her fairly soon. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to build something. Spray booth or display box or something. I don't know. But anyway, so yes, and then I haven't cleaned the floor of, you know, dust and stuff in a long time. So yeah, the whole workshop is getting a cleanup before I get back to modeling. So yeah, that's my updated workshop side of the workshop. So there you go. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.